To replace your washer's door hinge, first remove the mounting screws securing the hinge to the front panel. Remove the door and set it down carefully on a towel or carpet. Remove the screws securing the inner door panel, as well as the screws securing the old hinge. Separate the inner and outer door panels and pull out the old hinge. Install the new door hinge by aligning it with the inner door panel, then set the inner and outer door panels together. Secure the hinge with the self-tapping screws. Be aware the screw holes in the new hinge are not pre-threaded, so this may require some effort. Reinstall the remaining screws. Position the door on the washer's front panel and secure the hinge with the mounting screws.